In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove markers on Google Maps. Whether you're tidying up your custom maps or simply managing the locations you frequently visit, knowing how to effectively remove markers can make your digital mapping experience much clearer and more organized. Let's dive in and simplify this process together. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to google.com/maps. This will take you to the main Google Maps interface where you can access all of your saved locations and custom maps. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that holds the maps you're looking to edit. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Click on these lines to open a sidebar menu. This menu gives you access to various Google Maps features, including your saved places and maps. Once the sidebar is open, look for the option labeled Saved and click on it. This is where Google keeps a list of all the places and maps you've saved over time. Now, click on Maps. This will show you a list of all the custom maps you have created or have access to. Each map is essentially a collection of markers or locations that you've added for easy reference. Find the map you want to edit and click on it. This will open the map and display all the markers you have placed on it. If you have a lot of maps, you might need to scroll through to find the right one, so take your time to ensure you're working on the correct map. With your map open, look for an option that says Open in My Maps. Click on this link. This will transition you from the standard Google Maps interface to the My Maps interface, which provides more customization options and tools for managing your maps. Now, you should see all the markers you have placed on your map. Select the marker you wish to remove by clicking on it. This action will typically highlight the marker and bring up additional details or options related to that particular location. Finally, look for the delete icon, which is usually represented by a trash can symbol. Click on this icon to delete the marker. This will remove the marker from your map, helping you clear up any clutter or incorrect entries. Make sure you're certain about removing a marker, as this action might be irreversible depending on your map settings. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove markers from your custom maps on Google Maps. Keeping your maps organized not only makes them more useful, but can also improve your navigation experience the next time you need to quickly find a saved location. Thanks for joining me in this quick guide on how to remove markers on Google Maps. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and happy mapping.